You won't believe this, but you can actually boil an egg in the microwave without it exploding. Forget the stovetop. Master this microwave hack for a lightning-fast snack. The secret lies in submerging the egg in water and adding a touch of salt to prevent the shell from bursting. Pop it in the microwave for just a few minutes, and voila, perfectly cooked eggs ready to eat. It's a game-changing trick for anyone who loves convenience but doesn't want to sacrifice taste. Whether you're rushing through a busy morning or need a quick protein boost, this method is a total time saver. Say goodbye to waiting for water to boil on the stove, and hello to this speedy, explosion-free technique.